Hey, what's up? It's your girl Jamie Angelina slaying this Barbie pink tutorial for y'all. I matched everything, my shirt, my nails, my earrings. You already know. Espero que les guste este tutorial inspirado en una Barbie. Y nada, suscríbanse en mis redes sociales, Jamie Angelina, y vamos a comenzar because I know y'all ready to see this tutorial. And make sure you guys are following my Instagram, which is Jamie Angelina, so you can see what I'm up to all the time. Period. Let's get it started. So you guys know we need our base popping for our eyeshadow, and I'm using this eye primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It was my first time using it and I ended up loving it. You guys know that I always use the Huda Beauty one, but this time I wanted to switch it up and girl, look at how it blended. Me encantó cómo se difuminó este primer de Anastasia Beverly Hills para las sombras, así que se los recomiendo. I really recommend it to you guys because it looks so nice. It made my eyeshadow pop as well, and we worked with it and we ended up liking it. So to start, I'm using the AVH times Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm using the shade Texas Made, and I'm blending it in circular motions to pack the color on my crease. Y ya ustedes saben que cuando utilizo colores así de fuertes como este rosado, me gusta difuminarlo en forma circular para que de esa forma la pigmentación del color se note aún más. And now to blend the hot pink, I'm using this Huda Beauty Mini Neon Pink palette to blend those beautiful pinks together. Y como pueden ver, estoy difuminando el rosado que utilizamos en el párpado con esos dos tonos rosa de la paleta Mini de Huda Beauty en el tono pink para que los dos rosados se derritan en mis ojos. So story time. I was having the worst arm pain and I had to cut the crease in the camera for you guys, and I was so nervous because I was scared to mess up, but honey, we professional, so we nailed it, okay? ¿Se acuerdan que en el otro video le enseñé el truco de hacer los tres puntitos para cortarse el párpado? Así que lo pueden seguir haciendo, es una técnica bien fácil. Yo no lo hago así afuera de cámara, solo lo hago así para que ustedes vean que es un método bien fácil para personas que están empezando a hacer corte de párpados. In the last video I showed you guys that little technique of doing the 3 dots when cutting the crease. I only do it in camera so you guys can see that's an easier step for people that are starting to do cut creases now. So you guys can do that little 3 dots if you are a beginner and it will be easier for you. So I'm going to create this wing liner shape and I'm using this AVH liquid eyeliner para delinearme los ojos. Estoy utilizando este delineador de Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I'm filling in the gaps. And let me know if you guys would like to see a separate liquid eyeliner, wing liner tutorial. So of course it wouldn't be a Jamie Angelina makeup look without some shine or glitter on my eyes. So I'm using this Peaches makeup pigment in the shade Fantasy to add that Barbie beautiful effect on my eyes. And now we're moving on to the fun part, which is the colorful pink liner that I use on top of my black eyeliner. And I'm using this Louise times MMMMitchel. It was so hard for me to pronounce his name, but Mitchell, I got it. And the shade that I'm using on the bottom is Raver, and on top I ended up using the shade Glow Girl. And I finally know which lashes I'm using, you guys. Ya cannot attack me anymore or come for me, okay? So I listed them on the description box for y'all. Le dejé la información de las pestañas que estoy utilizando en la caja de descripción. So now it's time to make our skin poppin', and I'm using this Laura Mercier foundation primer. And let me just be honest with you guys, this primer does the work, but I'm not a fan of the smell. It smells kind of strange. I'm not trying to say that kind of smell, but you feel me? No soy como que muy fanática del olor de este primer de Laura Mercier, así que solo estoy siendo honesta. Going in with my Juvias Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Punta Cana. You guys already know that's my foundation shade. You guys already know it's one of my favorite foundations, period. I don't even have to repeat it anymore. And if you want, you can save more money using my discount code, which is Jamie, on every Juvias Place purchase. Y como siempre, mis amores, se pueden ahorrar utilizando mi cupón de descuento, el cual es Jamie, en todas sus compras de Juvias Place. Y mi cupón no se expira, porque sé que muchas tienen duda de que si se expira, así que no. And now to conceal my under eyes, I'm using 2 shades from the Juvias Place concealers, which is the 13, to cancel out any darkness that I have, even though I don't really have. Who are we kidding? And then I'm using the shade 18 on top to highlight my under eyes and also make myself look more awake. Y ustedes ya saben que a mí me gusta usar la técnica de utilizar dos correctores, uno que sea del tono de tu piel y otro que sea más claro para iluminar tu piel, y el más oscuro es para cancelar cualquier oscuridad en tus ojos. Dios mío, yo paro tan nerviosa hablando aquí que paro equivocándome con lo que estoy diciendo, pero nada, ustedes me entienden. So I'm just blending my chin, my nose, and then at last my under eyes, because I like to let my concealer cook a little bit under my eyes. That way it's not too slippery or too wet before I blend it. And just blend, 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 blend until you don't see where the makeup starts. So in this tutorial I'm using two loose powders, and the first one that I'm using is the Juvias Place one in the shade Kalahari to set my under eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm using the technique that I always use, which is pretty much setting the powder onto my eyes, melting them with my sponge and not baking right away. Y como pueden ver, estoy utilizando una de mis técnicas favoritas, el cual es derretir el polvo lúcido en mis ojos con mi esponja antes de aplicar el otro polvo horneándose arriba. So let's just say this part was really interesting, y'all, because for the first time I'm using a loose powder in the shade pink from Bakerie, and I was scared. Yeah, you can see it in my face. Yo tenía un miedo de utilizar ese polvo rosado para hornear mi cara, que no aguantaba la risa, pero I ended up loving it, you guys. It was so nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you the outcome when I'm done. I'm not gonna lie though, I was so scared of having flashback because, honey, this is the first time we did this, okay? But yeah. So you know I love to be a bronze mommy, so I'm bronzing my skin using the mineralized skin finish powder from MAC in the shade Dark Deepest to contour my skin and bring some color into my face back. Now I'm cleaning my contour with that Juvias Place powder because we don't do messiness out here. Now I'm going to create this Barbie effect, and I'm trying to open up my eyes even more, lining it with this Louise base in the shade Blank Canvas. And be careful using a wet base to line your under eyes because it can be slippery and it can make your eyes water. Y nada, me delineé los ojos para abrirlo un poco más porque quiero como que ese efecto de Barbie. Ustedes saben que la Barbie tiene esos ojos como que abiertos, boom. Entonces me lo delineé con esta base de Louise y le voy a dejar el nombre en la descripción. And now I'm wiping off the powder, and this is the moment when I saw that it was looking so beautiful, so smooth. Bakerie, you did that, girl. Yo quedé encantada con ese polvo rosado, así que de ahora en adelante ustedes me van a ver usándolo, porque ustedes saben que cuando me gusta algo, yo lo uso y lo uso y lo uso. And baby girl, it wouldn't be a Barbie look without some pink blush. And now I'm using, ooh girl, yes, I love blush. You guys know I love blush. And for my blush, I'm using the Juvias Place Volume 2 blush palette, and I'm using the shade Lina to make my cheeks pop. Y como siempre, mis amores, les voy a dejar toda la información de los productos que estoy utilizando en la caja de descripción. Now to define my lips, I'm using this brown lip liner, which I'll list down below. And I'm gonna make my lips look like a little doll, even though I kinda do have lips that look like dolls. And you guys tell me, I'm not being cocky, you guys tell me this all the time, okay? Voy a definir mis labios en forma de muñeca, aunque ustedes siempre me dicen que yo tengo como que los labios en forma de muñeca, pero ya ustedes saben lo que quiero dejar dicho. Now I'm using this baby pink lipstick, which is the perfect pink for my skin tone. I'm just so in love. This is my favorite pink. Oh my god, like I was just feeling myself, you guys. De verdad que me estaba encantando. Es uno de mis rosados favoritos para mi tono de piel. Yes, honey. And my lips look so nice matte that I was thinking leaving it like that, but no, you know Jamie needs some gloss in her life. Okay, so I'm using this baby pink gloss that has this metallic shine to it, and I just love it because it makes me look that I finished eating spaghettis. Because it looks so glossy. Atrévanse a decir que no les encantó esta combinación de labios que yo utilicé ahora mismo. Like, es perfecta for a Barbie. And for the perfect rose gold glow, I'm using the Milani Luminoso highlight palette to highlight my nose, my bridge of a nose, and my cheekbones, my chin, everything. Okay. Y no sé, como que para este look yo no quise utilizar tanto iluminador en mi piel, así que opté por utilizar menos producto esta vez y me encantó. Mi piel se ve tan saludable, tan brillosa a la misma vez. I just love it. It just looks so smooth, so shiny, so like cute. Okay, so story time. When I saw this little box, it made me tear up because it reminded me of my childhood. I had a little box for a Barbie just like this when I was little, and it just brought me so many memories when I was in the Dominican Republic. Like, oh my god, Beauty Bakerie, like, why you did this to me? Señora, yo me puse tan sentimental con esta cajita porque yo tenía una así mismo parecida para una de mis muñecas cuando yo era pequeña y vivía en República Dominicana, así que me trajo muchos recuerdos. And I ended up loving the setting spray. It's super nice. So I'll let you guys know if it's long lasting when I use it throughout the whole day because I filmed this at night. And oh my god, this was the end result. I hope you guys feel like a Barbie too if you recreate this look. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Jamie Angelina, because if you're not following me, what are you doing, sis? Make sure you guys like, share, and comment, and also subscribe. Espero que les guste este look. See you guys next time. Besos. Mwah.